Joe here with the RideShare Guy, and today we're going to be reviewing the Vantrue E3 3-channel dash cam. And be sure to stick around until the end because we'll be doing a giveaway of 3 cameras. Alright, the Vantrue E3 is a 3-channel camera, which means it has 3 different recordings. It has a forward-facing camera, an interior cabin camera, and also a rear-view camera. The front-facing camera records at 1944p, the interior camera records at 1080p, and the rear view camera also records at 1080p. These 3 channels, the 3 cameras, give you 360-degree all-around protection. The front-facing camera utilizes wide dynamic range technology, which automatically balances exposure and light and dark spots. The cabin camera has 4 infrared LED lights, and the rear view camera features high dynamic range. You can also connect to the camera with your phone via Wi-Fi and using the Vantrue app. It also comes with voice control where you can use some automatic phrases. In addition, it comes with a wireless remote controller that has 2 buttons. One button is used to turn on and off the voice recording, and the other is to take a photo and lock the current video. It also comes equipped with a dual GPS system module, so you can track your route when you play back videos on your phone or computer with the Vantrue Cam app. And here's what's included: 1 magnetic assist mount with GPS module, the wireless remote controller, a 4.8 amp dual car charger with 11.4 foot Type-C USB cable, the E3 dash cam itself, the rear view camera, a 20-foot USB-C cable to connect the rear view camera, and a 3-foot USB-C data cable. The Vantrue E3 is available on Amazon for $300, and when you include an SD card, that brings it up to about $315 total. Alright, so this is the 3rd Vantrue camera that we've reviewed. We've reviewed the Vantrue N2 Pro, the Vantrue E2, and now the Vantrue E3. The N2 Pro and the E2 are 2-channel, so they have a forward-facing camera. The Vantrue N2 has a cabin camera. It's 1 unit. The E2 has a forward-facing camera and also a rear-view camera. The E3 has all 3 cameras: forward-facing, cabin, and rear-view. This is the first 3-channel camera that I have reviewed for those drivers that want complete protection. 360-degree protection. This is the camera for you. It's pretty pricey, over $300. That rear view camera adds an extra layer of protection, but this is a high-end, high-quality, complete protection dash cam. It also has that GPS module as well as 24/7 parking mode. Parking mode does require a hardwire kit that is sold separately. Again, for those of you that want complete 360-degree protection, this could be the dash cam for you. And as far as a comparison to the other Vantrue cameras that we have reviewed, again, the Vantrue N2 Pro and the E2 are 2-channel cameras. The Vantrue N2 Pro is a single unit that has a forward-facing and cabin-facing camera. The Vantrue E2 has a forward-facing camera and also a rear-view camera. And then again, the Vantrue E3 has those 3 cameras: forward-facing, cabin view, and rear view. The total price for the Vantrue N2 Pro is $185 with an SD card. The E2 is $220, and the E3 is $315. Again, this is a great dash cam, but for most drivers, I would still recommend the Vantrue N2 Pro. It's a single unit. It gives you that forward-facing camera and also the cabin view camera, which is basically only what most rideshare drivers need. Now, as far as the giveaway, we will be giving away 3 dash cams, so thank you to Vantrue for offering those. And in order to qualify for the giveaway, make sure you subscribe to our channel, make sure to like this video, and also leave a comment below letting us know how long you have followed the RideShare Guy. Thanks again for watching and drive safe. Thanks.